How to use Amex gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Amex or the American Express gift card online. Now the process is quite simple. All you have to do is you'll have to find a merchant that accepts the American Express as its payment method. So basically those merchants are the Target, and these are the major ones, the Target or Amazon and such. So suppose you wanna make a purchase on Amazon using the Amex gift card, right? What you can do is you can go ahead and add your item to cart. Once you add the items to cart, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and head into the payment checkout option. Under checkout, it'll ask you for payment method, right? So once you head into the payment methods there, all you have to do is you'll have to tap on add credit or debit card option, and then under credit and debit card option you can easily go ahead and you can make the purchase. So you'll have to enter in your gift card details under the credit card section, and just like you enter your credit card details, and you'll be able to use it as long as your gift card balance is sufficient to make the purchase to pay the total amount. So this way you can use Amex gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.